welcome to Automax channel. Today we have here key cutting machine to show you. As most of you might know, every car definitely have something unique that starts the car or that gets to have a discussion between the two of them. That's the ignition solenoid that you put the key, and also the engine management system and other modules that supports the start of the vehicle. And so if you put a wrong key to the car, definitely the car is not going to start. That means that there is a unique feature that is assigned to a specific key for the specific car. So it means even if it's the same car in the market, you cannot take one key from the one car and use in another car easily to start. Definitely there'll be some coding that has to be done for it to match. And so that back in the days when cars started, there was no much of keys, and until when they started noticing really these are very dangerous things to do, so they started putting in the key systems. And so back in the days, in fact, it was just the normal blade key that was looked like our household keys, where it doesn't even have a rubber head. It's just a normal key that they just connect. In those cases, they realized that some people just find the easy way to steal the car or take away the vehicle by just cutting off the solenoid cables and connecting them together, and the vehicle is good to go. So they realize it's important to put in more security systems to enhance the vehicle safety. And so they came about with what we call the transponder chip that communicates with the vehicle systems and all that. And we can go on and on and on about this, but basically what all of that does is to provide safety and security of the car. And so if you see here, we have here the Xhorse brand of key cutting machine. This is one of the series of key cutting machines that we have in our arsenal. This is manual, and what it does is that it duplicates a key. That is, if you have one key to the car, you can use this device to do another. And it has other unique features as well that it does. We do have the others that is semi-auto and fully automatic, that even cuts a key when you have no key to the car. Yeah, and those ones are also available in stock. For this one, the physical features as is being shown here, it has the handle that regulates the flow of cuts for the specific key. Basically what it does is that we have the terminals that is in the box that connect in these 2 points. This side is where it controls the master key. By using the mapping system of that side, it's going to cut with the new key that you put in, so that through the mapping of this part of key, for example, let's say we have these 2 keys that are the same. This is the master key that has the cut already, so this side is going to use the mapping of this one to cut the other key that is new to the vehicle. And so when that is done, then only it goes into putting the transponder and other things to make it work. And come to keys, we have various type of key. For example, we have the this type of keys that is remote, but it has the key slots as well. We have all types of key. We have the BB keys and all kinds. There are a lot of keys in the market that we can talk. Mostly they are aftermarket, which means that they are not the original keys that came with the vehicle. We have original in the market, but the originals are those that are the main originals are those that are coming with the vehicle from the manufacturer. Anything other than that is, we call the aftermarket, or we call the violet key. Violet, that's the main name they call in the market, violet keys. Yeah. So basically you can see here, this one normally you can cut. It cuts in the middle. It has a design that it strokes in the middle. This machine can do that as well. And if it requires you to cut at the edges, yes, this machine is there to do that. And we have a plethora of them. You can see here it's also cuts, also having some edge cutting and all that. All right, so back to the main features. We can see here we have the various control buttons that helps you to control the flow. For example, whether you want to go in sideway or you want to move in this way. we have the ones that helps you move only in one direction, and we have, so it means you cannot really move. If you tighten it harder, you cannot move in another direction only except for the direction that you choose. So if I want to go this way, to refuse. But if I loosen up and I tighten another one, it means I can also go the other way that I intend to go. All this is to help enhance the flow of the duplication of the key. It has also another tray here that collects all the debris and residue that falls from the cutting of the key. At this side of it, we have the power button that controls the start and the speed of the cutting. Also at the back, it has the power cable. That's the port that connects the power cable. Yeah. So to know more about this, I think you have to visit our shop. We have a lot more to explain to you when it comes to these things. And basically, there's a lot of safety and other training that we give to people who intend to do key works. You don't just jump into somebody's car and start to make a key just because they tell you they want a duplicate key or they want a new key. You must do so many background checks, know who is the owner of the vehicle, get some documents to be sure that the car is really not one from another source. And then you also have to follow some safety procedure, and then becomes very easy to do this job. To know more about this, please visit our shop here. We are here in Dubai. You can pick our contact numbers down the screen. You can also visit our social media handle at AMT Global on all social media platforms. For comments, suggestions, and information, please just pass them in the comment section, and we're going to read them and reply you accordingly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.